Hey family, King Carouse here, your Black History buff, and welcome to our journey through Black History Month UK. October in the UK isn't just about autumn leaves and pumpkin spice. It's a time when we celebrate the rich tapestry of Black British history. This tradition kicked off in 1987, inspired by the US but with a uniquely British flavour. It's our time to honour the often overlooked contributions of Black Britons to our nation's story. From the Windrush generation to modern day pioneers, we're exploring it all this month. So why October? Well, it coincides with the start of the academic year, making it perfect for educating our youth. This month, we'll dive into stories of resilience, creativity and triumph. Stories that aren't just Black history, they're British history. This is just the beginning of our 31 Days of Black British History series. Next week, catch us on Instagram for more inspiring stories. And if you want the full series, come and join me on Patreon. It's completely free. Like and subscribe to stay updated and follow us through the month.